10 Best Turbo for 7.3 Powerstroke 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. GTP 38 Turbo Replacement for F250F 357.3L Powerstroke 1998 to 1999. Revitalize your 98 to 99 F250/F 357.3L Powerstroke with our GTP 38 Turbo Replacement. Specifically engineered for a perfect, direct fit, installation is smoother, getting you back on the road quicker. This isn't just any turbo. It's crafted from high-quality, high-temperature resistant materials, guaranteeing superior strength and long-lasting durability, built tough like your truck. Prepare to rediscover your truck's true potential. Experience a significant boost in engine power, smoother acceleration, and even improved fuel economy that reduces your trips to the pump. Plus, you'll contribute to better emissions. Give your beloved Powerstroke the reliable, high-performance upgrade it deserves. For optimal results, professional installation is highly recommended. Number 9. 7.3L Powerstroke Turbo Billet Compressor Wheel. Unleash the true potential of your 7.3L Powerstroke with our wicked Turbo Billet Compressor Wheel, WW38. Engineered as a direct, high-performance upgrade for 1994 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesels using GTP 38/TP 38 turbos. This isn't just a replacement, it's an enhancement. Featuring an updated 5+5-blade billet design, with 5 short and 5 long blades. This compressor will dramatically improve airflow. Experience faster spool-up, a significant boost in power, and sharper throttle response. Installation is a breeze. Our factory-balanced wheel simply presses into place and self-tightens, requiring no further balancing. Backed by a 12-month warranty, you gain superior performance and peace of mind, giving your iconic 7.3L the power it deserves. Number 8. 7.3 Powerstroke OBS Turbo Upgrade Kit. Ready to unleash the full potential of your OBS 7.3L Powerstroke. Our Turbo Upgrade Kit is engineered to deliver both peak performance and uncompromising reliability. Specifically designed for your 1994 to 1997 truck, this comprehensive package simplifies your turbo system with a robust non-EBP pedestal and turbine housing, enhancing efficiency and reducing common failure points. Forget about cracking pipes. The heavy-duty bellowed-up pipes, constructed from durable 409 stainless steel, are built to withstand extreme engine temperatures, flexing with expansion and contraction for superior longevity. We've included all necessary hardware and gaskets, ensuring a smooth, complete installation. Plus, drive with confidence thanks to a 1-year warranty. Upgrade your OBS and experience the power and durability it was always meant to have. Number 7. GTP 38 Turbocharger for F250F 350 1994 to 1997. Ready to unleash the true potential of your 1994 to 1997 F-Series 7.3L Powerstroke diesel? Our GTP 38 Turbocharger is engineered as a direct replacement, ensuring a high-fit and surprisingly easy installation, getting you back on the road faster. Crafted from premium, high-temperature resistant materials, this isn't just a part. It's an upgrade built for superior strength and lasting durability. Experience a significant boost in engine power, torque, and overall efficiency, transforming your truck's performance whether you're towing or just cruising. Designed specifically for your F250 or F350, it's crucial to verify your model and part numbers for a perfect match. For optimal results and lasting peace of mind, professional installation is highly recommended. Get ready to feel the difference. Number 6. 1999 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Super Duty Turbo. Is your 7.3L Powerstroke feeling sluggish? Restore that legendary performance with this 100% new replacement turbocharger, engineered for a guaranteed exact fit on your 1999 to 2003 Ford F250, F350 Super Duty, or Excursion. Built to premium ISO/TS 16949 quality standards, this isn't just a part. It's an investment in your truck's efficiency and powerful operation. Avoid costly redose and frustrating downtime associated with cheaper, low-quality alternatives. This direct replacement seamlessly replaces your existing turbo, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance. Always confirm fitment using our drop-down and OE numbers to guarantee the perfect match. Note: Turbo pedestal is not included. Get back on the road with the confidence and power you remember. Number 5. Wicked Will 2 Billet Turbo for 7.3L Powerstroke. The provided description is already 104 words, which falls perfectly within your requested range of 100 to 120 words. Here is the description. For the Ballbearing accelerator pedal sensor replacement asterisk. Ready to reclaim that crisp throttle response in your 1994 to 2003 Camaro? Our Ballbearing accelerator pedal sensor replacement, WW38, is precisely engineered for superior performance accuracy. This sensor ensures precise detection of your accelerator pedal's position, directly translating to optimal engine performance and impressive fuel efficiency. You'll instantly feel smoother, more responsive acceleration, and a more engaging drive. Crafted from robust, durable materials, this replacement guarantees exceptional longevity and reliability, resisting wear and tear for consistent performance. Invest in a lasting solution that restores your Camaro's sharp, confident feel and enjoy every push of the pedal. Number 4. 1994 to 1997 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke GTP 38 Turbo. Is your 1994 to 1997 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke feeling tired? Reinvigorate your F-Series truck with our Dofok GTP 38 Turbocharger. This direct replacement is engineered to breathe new life into your diesel engine. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and iron, it offers superior wear, corrosion, and high-temperature resistance for lasting durability in tough conditions. Experience a noticeable boost in power and improved fuel economy, making your truck stronger and more responsive. You'll also benefit from enhanced reliability and optimized emissions. With an exact OEM fit and a 1-year warranty, install with confidence. Restore your classic Powerstroke's legendary grunt and efficiency. Number 3. GTP 38 Turbocharger for Ford 7.3L Powerstroke 1999 to 2003. Is your 1999 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke feeling sluggish? Reclaim its legendary power with our GTP 38 Turbocharger. Specifically engineered for a perfect fit in your F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, or Excursion, this isn't just a replacement. It's a performance resurgence. Crafted from high-strength alloy and backed by over 2 decades of manufacturing expertise, this turbocharger delivers robust, stable performance you can trust. Experience an immediate, powerful boost in acceleration, making your truck feel strong and responsive once again. Designed to OEM standards, it's a direct, hassle-free swap for your original unit. Restore your beloved 7.3L to its peak performance and enjoy the exhilaration of its full potential. Number 2. GTP 38 Billet Turbo for Ford 7.3L Powerstroke. Ready to unleash the full potential of your Ford 7.3L Powerstroke? Our GTP 38 Billet Turbo is engineered for enthusiasts seeking a serious upgrade. Experience dramatically improved boost response and significant power gains thanks to the forged billet compressor wheel with its advanced aerodynamic design, maximizing airflow and compression efficiency. You'll drive with confidence knowing the silicon molybdenum turbine housing and upgraded alloy turbine will withstand extreme temperatures up to 1832 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing unmatched durability and reliability under any condition. Plus, as a direct OEM replacement, installation is seamless, no modifications needed. Elevate your driving experience, restore factory-level efficiency, and feel the difference immediately. Number 1. 7.3L Powerstroke GTP 38, our ball-bearing turbo upgrade. Ready to transform your 7.3L Powerstroke. The GTP 38, our ball-bearing turbo upgrade, is engineered to redefine your driving experience. Featuring a patented Garrett dual ball bearing cartridge, this turbo delivers lightning-fast spool-up, virtually eliminating lag for instant power on demand. You'll feel the difference in responsiveness, whether you're towing heavy loads or just cruising. Installation is a breeze too, thanks to its complete bolt-in design. No complicated modifications or custom parts needed. It's a direct fit, saving you time and headaches. Upgrade to genuine Garrett performance and unleash the true potential of your Powerstroke with unmatched reliability and exhilarating power. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an awakening for your truck. So, that sums up my 10 best turbo for 7.3 Powerstroke. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.